Hello, I'm back again with word of the day, so let's find out what word it is. Just look at these pictures and guess the word. Don't you find these creatures very much strange and unusual? Do you have that word to describe them? Okay, let me give you a hint. The word starts with B. B for ball. I'm sure you're going to guess it now. Great! And the word is bizarre. Alright, so bizarre means very strange or unusual, and it's an adjective. Alright, let's look at the example sentences and expressions such as bizarre situation or bizarre incident or bizarre story. B. Bizarre behavior. What kind of behavior? Unusual one or friendly one? Good, unusual one. Okay, let's look at the sentence. He was at ease with the bizarre discussion. So, do you think that the discussion was very much sensible or it was strange? Good, it was a strange one. Okay, so here we have the synonym for bizarre. It is weird. The antonym is common. Okay, so let's look at the pronunciation. Remember, it's very important to learn spelling and practice pronunciation of the word. Now listen and repeat. So here we have two pronunciation, British English and Native American English. First, we are going to listen to British English pronunciation, where you see R is silent at the end of the word, and in Native American English it is pronounced. This is the only difference. Okay, now listen and repeat.
Bizarre.
Bizarre. Once again.
Bizarre.
One last time.
Bizarre.
Now Native American English accent.
Bizarre.
Bizarre. Once again.
Bizarre.
One last time.
Bizarre.
Fantastic, you have learned a new word. See you again.